craft video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we're going to try teckwrapcraft Halloween collection, so stay tuned. What do we need for today's craft? I'm glad you asked. We are going to use teckwrapcraft Halloween collection vinyl. We are going to use teckwrapcraft standard grade matte scissors, teckwrapcraft wedding pen. If you haven't used one of these, you need one in your life like pronto. Then we're going to need a 16 ounce Libby cup. I am going to use a matte one, and I am going to use my Cricut maker. So let's get to it. Before we start our project, I want to share with you that you can find these bundles over at teckwrapcraft.com. You will have to visit their website and select vinyl bundles. Once you select vinyl bundles, you will see the first bundle they have in there. It's their Halloween collection. It has a 10% discount right now, so I think this might be our chance to buy them. And then if you keep scrolling, you will see the product details, and also you will be able to see all the colors this bundle has. As well, if you keep scrolling down, you will be able to see other projects that you can use as inspiration for a future project you will have. This is how the vinyls look in person. I love the colors. I think the video doesn't make justice to these vinyls. I really love them. And now I think we can get to work. For this project, I am going to use an SVG from MilkMilkSugar, and I am going to upload that SVG to my canvas. Now that I have it on my canvas, I am going to make it, and I am going to select the settings I am going to use. TechWrap usually sends a sheet with all the settings we should use for each machine we have. So I have a Cricut maker, and they recommend the use of the holographic vinyl setting. So that's the one I am going to use. Please make sure to remove the protective layer. Usually teckwrap vinyl comes with a protective layer, and you will want to remove that before cutting your design. One thing I can tell you already is that this vinyl is very easy to weed, and yeah, I am going to speed things up because I know this is boring, and I am going to show you the end result in a couple of minutes. Okay friends, this is the end result. Remember, you can find these vinyl over at teckwrapcraft.com. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House. Ciao.